Let's talk about sound Horeg, the loudest, dumbest, most bass-obsessed noise pollution that somehow became normal in parts of Indonesia. I mean, look at this shit. Just look at it. That's a truck with speakers the size of refrigerators, blasting music at full volume, casually driving past your house like it owns the street. So what the hell is sound Horeg? Sound Horeg comes from the Javanese word Horeg, which means vibrate or shake. And yes, this thing shakes everything. Your bed, your roof, your brain, probably shake your balls too. It started around 2011 in East Java. At first it was innocent enough. Small celebrations, weddings, local parades. Just some guy with a cute DIY speaker setup trying to bring some joy to the village. But as with everything in life, someone had to take it too far. It became a competition. Who has the loudest sound? Who has the biggest truck? Who can make the most tiles fall off someone's roof? They even have sound battles, like literal my bass versus your bass events. They once held a sound battle on boats during a sea celebration. Okay, let's get serious for 2 seconds. This thing isn't just loud, it's actually dangerous. At 130 decibels, you've got 1 to 2 minutes before you risk permanent hearing damage. Babies, old people, people with heart problems. They get wrecked. People literally destroyed bridges in Malang and Demak just so sound Horeg trucks could pass. A woman almost got beaten up by a mob for telling them to turn it down. Imagine living in a society where asking for peace and quiet is a dangerous act. What are we even doing? Even the religious side stepped in. Ulama in East Java legit said, sound Horeg is haram. They called it a distraction, a threat to health, and sometimes a platform for immoral stuff. Local governments tried banning it. Police tried raiding it. Malang even declared it illegal. But, surprise, people keep doing it anyway. Why? Because they treat loudness like a flex. No one's stopping them. People are just like, oh, that's sound Horeg, it's our culture. Okay, so now we're just calling anything culture, huh? Since when did culture mean destroying someone's peace without consequences? Is it really culture? Because here's the thing, culture is supposed to connect people. Sound Horeg divides people. It literally creates class wars, and those who can afford to be loud and those who suffer quietly. As ridiculous as this whole thing is, it's actually kind of comforting to see more people finally speaking up. That's the energy we need. People with common sense. People who still value peace, sanity, and functioning eardrums. Because with people like that, Indonesia can be better. Because the real noise Indonesia needs right now is the sound of people finally thinking.